In this Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send to back. So we just did bring to front in another tutorial. Now we're going to send to back, right? So if I want to send this photo back behind this object, so I want this yellow box that's underneath my ear here to be on top of my photo, what I would do is select my photo, right-click it, and go to Arrange, and then I find Send to Back. Now there's one caveat here. This is actually not going to work in my specific layout. I'm going to click Send to Back, but it doesn't look like it sends me to the back. And if you don't experience that either, then what we need to do is look in the Layers panel, because Send to Back and Bring to Front send an object to the back or front of the layer that it's on. But if that layer is on top of other objects, then it will never go behind those objects. So to actually send it to the back, you also need to make sure that whatever you're trying to send to the back is on either the same layer as whatever it is behind. So I would have to drag this image to the contents layer and then right-click it and go to Arrange, Send to Back. Or if I undo a couple times, this layer itself would actually need to be placed below, so I could click and drag and take it below the contents layer. And so now this layer is below this layer. So just so you know, when you send to back and send to front, you're sending objects to the back of the layer that they are on, not necessarily the back of your document. It doesn't move objects between layers. So you might have to actually take this object and move it to a separate layer depending on what is overlapping in your content. That's how you can send to back here in Illustrator.